Good morning, class. In today's lesson, we are going to learn about components of air. We all know that air surrounds us everywhere on this planet. One cannot imagine the existence of life without air. Ever wondered what is air made of? We all have come to know that air is a mixture of gases. Now today we'll be learning about them. Is it a mixture or a pure substance? In ancient times, the air was thought to be a pure substance, but was later found to be a mixture of many gases. The composition of air is not constant and it changes from place to place. For example, in polluted areas, since emissions of carbon dioxide are very high, air over there contains a higher percentage of carbon dioxide. As you can see, the composition of air, you have the highest amount is 78%, that is nitrogen. We have 1% of carbon dioxide, water vapor and gases, and we have 21% of oxygen. So let us understand the first component, that is water vapor. We know that water present in oceans and rivers evaporates and during summer and escapes in the air. Thus, water vapor is one of the components of the air. It occupies very less percentage of Earth's atmosphere. Next is oxygen, a very important element or the components of the air. Have you ever tried to burn a candle in absence of air? If you would try, you would notice that it doesn't burn in absence of air. Air contains some matter which supports combustion. This substance is oxygen. Oxygen is one of the major components of air around us. Air comprises almost 21% of oxygen. And we all know that we also require oxygen, and animals also require it for living. Plants also, including plants. Next one is the highest component. Alright, has the maximum amount of component, that is 78%. So when you blow over a burning candle, you notice it extinguishes. This means air contains incombustible gas, means gases which does not support combustion. This is majority due to the presence of nitrogen. Nitrogen occupies nearly 78% of Earth's atmosphere and is the most abundant gas on our planet. Next one is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is mainly produced due to respiration by plants and animals, or sometimes now because of too much of pollution, that is burning of fuel also. It occupies traces of little amount of Earth's atmosphere, but as the population increases, the sizes will also increase, the forest deforestation will take place, and with factories evolving, right, more companies have been formation of taking place. Day by day, the strength of carbon dioxide gas is also increasing. So what's happening is it keeps on changing from one place to another in our atmosphere. So the carbon dioxide percentage should not increase. Next one is smoke and dust. These are present in the rarest, in the minute traces. Alright, smoke is present in our atmosphere due to burning of fuels. Its occupancy varies from place to place. It is a mixture of gases and is often harmful. Apart from these dust particles, they are also present in our atmosphere, which we observe when we see a ray of light in a dark room. Smoke and dust particles occupy less than 1% of Earth's atmosphere. So, in today's lesson, we have learned about components of air, that it is a mixture of gases. We have also come to know about the composition of air. The maximum is nitrogen. Next one is oxygen, and we have traces with traces of gases, that is including carbon dioxide, water vapor, and other gases. And we have learned about the different components of air. So class, this is all we'll be learning for today.